To use a virtual Visa card on PayPal, you first need to ensure that your virtual card is compatible with PayPal. Most virtual Visa cards can be used on PayPal, but it is always best to check with your card issuer to confirm. Once you have confirmed that your virtual card can be used on PayPal, you need to link it to your PayPal account. To do this, log into your PayPal account and click on the Wallet tab. Then click on Link a Card and select the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter the details of your virtual Visa card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any issues with the linking process. After entering the details, click on the Link Card button to complete the process. PayPal may charge a small amount to your virtual card to verify that it is active and that you are the owner. This amount will be refunded to your card once the verification process is complete. Once your virtual card is linked to your PayPal account, you can use it to make payments online. To do this, select PayPal as your payment method at checkout and log in to your PayPal account. Then select your virtual card as the funding source and confirm the payment. It is essential to keep in mind that some merchants may not accept virtual cards, so it is always best to check with the merchant before making a payment. Additionally, make sure to keep track of your virtual card balance and expiration date to avoid any issues with your payments. Using a virtual Visa card on PayPal is a convenient and secure way to make online payments. It provides an additional layer of protection against fraud and identity theft, as you do not have to share your actual card details with the merchant. By following these steps, you can easily link your virtual card to your PayPal account and start making payments online. It is also important to note that you should only use a virtual card from a reputable issuer to ensure that your card is secure and compatible with PayPal. Always review the terms and conditions of your virtual card before using it on PayPal to ensure that you understand any fees or limitations that may apply.